With the introduction of the 2017 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10RR, Kawasaki is getting very serious about providing a street-going superbike for riders who do more track days than canyon blitzing. Let's look at what Kawasaki did to turn the Ninja ZX-10R into ZX-10RR. The 2017 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10RR's motor is designed for high performance modification, while the only performance enhancement is the DLC treatment on the valve tappets. The ZX-10R power plant has room for higher lift cams. Also, the crankcase is reinforced and the cooling system upgraded. The gearbox ratios are track focused. The Ninja ZX-10RR's cassette-type transmission is close enough with second through sixth gear shortened to enhance corner exit speed. Changing gears happen faster than ever. The ZX-10RR has clutchless downshifting to go along with the usual clutch-free upshifts. Handling is upgraded via new wheels and tires. The Ninja ZX-10RR runs forged aluminum 7-spoke wheels with Pirelli Diablo Super Corsa SP rubber. There will be no passengers on the 2017 ZX-10RR. This race bike has an appropriate solo seat with an aerodynamic cover where the passenger perch is on the standard 10R. There's not a lot of sticker stock on the Ninja ZX-10RR. It runs $18,000, just $28,000 more than the Ninja ZX-10RR ABS. With the new rules in the World Superbike that requires the race bike be closer to what is on the showroom floor, we are seeing quite a few upgraded track-ready bikes available to the public. We love it. The engine type is a 4-inline, displacement of 998cc and compression ratio 13:1. Maximum torque of 85 Newton, 11,500 RPM and 6-speed transmission. It has a sealed chain. Wheelbase of 56.7 inches, rake of 25 degrees, trail 4.2 inches, seat height 32.9 inches, fuel tank capacity 4.5 gallons, curb weight 454 pounds. And also it has a ABS standard. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe Riders Mania channel.
A single spirit with a common dream. We work, we fight, we endure, and we win together. We are one to become the one. We are Kawasaki Racing Team. Don't forget it.